Hi, this is Brian with Ikan. I'm at InfoComm, and today I'm going to be showing you our all-in-one turnkey solution that includes our 19-inch teleprompter system with our pedestal. So this is going to be for customers that want to have a very easy way of speccing out an entire solution to their clients. So this is a single SKU minus the camera. So it includes a 19-inch teleprompter monitor. It includes the talent monitor. So if you come over here, you can see that the camera feed is going to be displayed on the talent monitor. So that way the talents can see, how they're framed, and if you're a weatherman, you can see where you're pointing, and then we also have a monitor dedicated for the teleprompter script. So these are both 19-inch. Both monitors include SDI. The 12-volt power, HDMI, VGA. So they have all the basic video inputs that you need. You can also adjust the height of the pedestal by just, it's an air-pressured system, so you can just move it up and down. There's also dolly wheels, so you can wheel it around the studio. One of the main, since we've come out with this, we did a lot of research in-house. And so we leave, basically the only thing that you have to worry about if you're wanting to purchase one of these is how much available payload you have. And that's going to be, like, for this system, is going to be 30.8 pounds. So any type of camera, it's like whether it's an ENG camera or a cinema camera or a mirrorless camera, it's all going to be compatible as long as it's under 30.8 pounds. So we've already done all that research in-house. So for more information, just go to icancorp.com.